In this video, we're going to go over the ideas, roadmap, and announcements sections of your ChatHQ Portal account. So to find these, you're going to go down to the left-hand corner of your page and you'll see ideas, roadmap, and announcements down here. So when you click on one of these, let's go ahead and click on ideas. You're going to see a pop-up over here on the right-hand side. So the idea board is where you can submit your own feature and product ideas to the ChatHQ team, and you can access our idea board from your portal account and submit your ideas with just a few clicks. So you can scroll through here and you can view different ideas that have been added, and you can upvote ones by clicking on the option here, and you can also comment by clicking on here, and you can view the auto responses. If you want to filter through these, you can click on the filter button here and you can go through the ones that are under consideration, up next, in progress, and finished. And then you can also go through different sections of the ChatHQ portal. And then over here on this drop down, you have the option to view trending, latest ideas, most votes, and least votes. So when you click on one of these options, you're going to see these reorganize here. And then if you'd like to add an idea, you can click on add an idea, and then you can type in a sentence that summarizes your idea and then select why your idea is useful, who would benefit, and how it should work. Additionally, you can add images here as well. And then you can also select 3 topics for this idea. This is completely optional. And then once you have that, go ahead and click on submit idea. Going into roadmap, this is where you can follow along with the public ChatHQ project roadmap and help shape by upvoting ideas. So over here we have 4 different categories. We have under consideration, up next, in progress, as well as finished. So when you click on one of these options, you will be able to view the roadmap idea as well as view comments as well. And you can click on any of these and add comments to those with images as well. Next, we're going to go into announcements. This is where you can stay up to date on all of the newest announcements from ChatHQ. So if you just scroll down through these, you'll see all of the different announcements. You can click on any of these announcements and you're going to see this appear, and it's going to give you a breakdown of the announcement. If you'd like to like the comment or like the announcement, you can click on this like option here, and you can either like, heart eyes, or give a fire emoji for that one. And that is all for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.